Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix. Today I'm showing you how to post a video on Facebook without sound. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on your home page where you see all your posts and updates. Now, tap the Photos icon in the top right corner. This opens your camera roll where you can select any video you want to upload. Choose your video and tap Next at the bottom right corner. Next, tap Edit in the top right corner of your video preview. You'll see several editing options on the right side. Tap on the audio icon and go to Controls. This controls your video sound settings. Now, simply tap Mute or decrease volume level to 0 to remove all audio from your video. Tap Done at top right corner when you're finished. Then tap Next at the bottom to proceed to the posting screen. Finally, tap Post at the bottom right, and your video will upload to Facebook without any sound. And that's it. You've successfully posted a muted video on Facebook. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClickFix for more quick how-to guides. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.